Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode we will be building part 3-32F, the Boiler Water Gauge Spindle for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I am G-Tex. This episode, we will be building part 3-32F, the Boiler Water Gauge Spindle for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's open up part MMGS. Alright, let's do actual circular, but I'll probably do the front plane. We're going to do sketch, so we're going to go out, up, or angle up, across, up, and down. So it's going to be kind of like that shape. Well, it's going to be, but it's just going to be different dimensions. Okay, so the bottom part is going to be, this is going to be 1. And that's going to be 2. And the whole length will be 35 plus 3 plus 2, which should be 40. Beautiful. Zoom that out, thank you. This is going to be 2.5. Oop. Let me bring that out a bit, thank you. And from here to here will be 3. And from here to here will be 9.5 divided by 2, 4.75. That should be defined. Looks like it. Yep, it is defined. Beautiful. Let me go full thing. Beautiful. So yep, so 2 mil, but because it's half the thing, so it's going to be 1 mil, 9.5, 4.75, 5 there, 2.5, 2 mil. Just put that up there, that makes it easy to read, and 3 mil. So that should be 35 mil. And that should be good. So it's 40. So 35. So 35 plus 3 plus 2 equals 40. Yep. Okay. Feature. Revolve. It's going to be axis. Going to be this point, and we are done. Well, done for now. We're still got to put a thread in there. Before we do, what material is that? BMS. So I'm going to say some type of metal. You can look up what BMS stands for. Let's see. No, they want bronze, nickel. Let's just do nickel, just for the color wise. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, so now we want thread. Where we thread. There you go, thread. Which is going to start here. It's going to stop there. Oh, what did? Oops, didn't go automatically. It's going to be M5, which is not what we got. We got M16. Where's M5? 52 M5. I got one option. Okay. But it's going to be 26 from the top, so 9 from the bottom. So offset 9 and done. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Yep, that works out pretty good. So that should be it. So that's part 3-32F, the Boiler Water Gauge Spindle for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon done. If you enjoyed the episode, click the like button, subscribe, comment. It does help me out, and thank you everyone that has. I'll see you next episode, and remember, thank you very much.